Hi my loves, today I'm showing you my no-fail method for that perfect crispy Yamarita that stays crunchy even after 10 minutes. So grab your apron and let's make some magic happen in the kitchen. And of course, these are the ingredients I'll be using for this magic that is about to go down. First thing first, I'm starting with some fresh yam, nice and firm. I'm just going to be peeling and cutting it into medium strips, not too thick and not too thin, just the perfect size for that crunch, okay? Make sure you watch this video to the very end so that you don't miss any of the steps, okay? After cutting the yam, I'm just going to be washing the yam and transferring it into a pot. I'm just going to add in water, cover and allow to boil until it is soft but not falling apart. Now it is time to mix our cutting ingredients because this is where the magic happens. I added flour and salt into a bowl, mix everything together and set that aside. Into another bowl, break in your eggs and go ahead to cut your onions and your pepper because there is no Yamarita without pepper and onions. Then go ahead and add your pepper and onions into the egg. Mix well to combine together and set that aside, okay? Now the yam and the ingredients are ready and it is now time to coat. I dip each piece of yam into the egg, making sure it is fully wet. Then go ahead and coat it with the flour, making sure it is fully coated as well. You can repeat this process for 2 to 3 times depending on how you want your yam to be fully coated, okay? I'll be leaving the full recipe in the description box below. Please do make sure you check it out, okay? Repeat this process for the rest of the yam until all the yam and the ingredients are all exhausted. In oil into the frying pan and allow the oil to heat up. Gently place the coated yam into the hot oil and start frying. Did you notice how the yam sizzled inside the hot oil? Oh my god, that's the sound of the crunch in progress. At this point, you just have to be patient because we are frying on medium heat. Fry until it is golden brown. Let me use this opportunity to say thank you to my amazing subscribers. Your love and support means a lot to me and I don't take that for granted. And if you are coming across this channel for the first time, you are welcome to the Mass World. Please subscribe to this channel and be part of us, okay? Take out the yam from the oil once you are done frying and repeat the process for the rest of the coated yams, okay? And there you have it. My delicious, crunchy, crispy Yamarita is ready. Oh my god. It is golden on the outside, soft on the inside, and also full of flavors. You can use any sauce of your choice to complement this crunch. If you will try this recipe, tell me in the comment section how yours turned out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel for more homemade goodies like this, and turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any of my recipes, okay? Thanks for watching. See you guys on my next video. Bye.